Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Jack the rear and secure the car on stands so you can work safely. Once supported, remove the rear wheels to access the sway bar. This exposes end links and bushing brackets. Spray penetrating oil on fasteners and let it sit for a few minutes to reduce rounding risk. Use a breaker bar or impact for stubborn nuts. Keep sockets organized by bolt location. This first phase speeds later steps and prevents damage, so don't rush the removal prep. Now focus on the middle work. You'll unbolt each end link by holding the stud to prevent spinning, then remove the nut. This releases the bar from the control arm. Next, loosen the bushing bracket bolts on the chassis while supporting the bar so it doesn't drop and pinch your fingers. Once brackets are off, slide the sway bar out of the rubber hangers. Cleaning and inspecting bushings and link threads explains why replacement is often recommended, since worn parts cause noise and reduced roll control. Reinstall by fitting new or cleaned bushings onto the bar. Use manufacturer grease if required, and place the bar into the hangers. Hand thread bushing bracket bolts first, then reconnect end links and start nuts by hand so threads align. Once all hardware is in, lower the car just enough to load the suspension and torque end links and brackets to spec. This prevents preload and binding. Finally, drive slowly and listen for clunks. If you hear noise, recheck torque, bushing placement, and link orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.